This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can perform the camera gimbal calibration on this drone. So at the start, you will need to open the camera view on your remote controller. Now launch settings. At the top, select control category and scroll down and look for the gimbal calibration. Now open this page. From here you can manually calibrate your gimbal or manually recenter it, or switch on the automatic calibration, which I'll go for personally. And from here simply make sure that your aircraft is placed on the level surface. Do not touch it, do not move around, just let it automatically calibrate the camera gimbal, which should finish right about now. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.